Hey everybody, it's Bill, the knee pain guru. It is, what is today? Monday, March 5th. We're going to talk today about why your knee isn't bending, especially if you're dealing with scar tissue. I got an email earlier today. What's up, Joe? What's up, Lance? Yeah, I know, court today. Yeah, custody stuff. Anyways, so yeah, I might as well take advantage of the fact that I look good. So today we're going to talk about having scar tissue after knee surgery. Lance, you may find this interesting as well. Have a comment today. Ashley had ACL surgery 3 weeks ago using hamstring graft. Going to physical therapy twice a week. However, in the past few days, my ability to do range of motion exercises has significantly decreased due to a sharp pain around the outside of the knee as soon as I attempt to bend my knee past 20 degrees. Earlier this week, I would have the pain the first few times I brought up the knee, but I could eventually stretch it out. Now I'm at the point I can't even do that. I have one scar tissue bump at the incision where the surgical tools were pushed through for the surgery. If I push down hard enough on the scar tissue, I feel similar pain when I try to bend my knee. Is it safe to assume that the scar tissue is what's preventing me from bending my knees? Appreciate any advice. Hey, Travis, Bill, Lance, Joe, if you have any questions about pain in the body, knee pain, today we're going to focus on scar tissue a little bit. Please ask them there. Like the video, share it with your friends, especially the ones that limp. That would be a good one. So the question is around, is the scar tissue preventing the knee from bending? That's essentially what the question boils down to. Scar tissue preventing the knee from bending. And in actuality, it's not the scar tissue that prevents the knee from bending, it's the pain. Now follow me on this one. When they do surgery on a knee, the surgery cuts through nerves. There was already a trauma to the knee to begin with. They had a hamstring graft. Hey, Lori, this is good for judo people too. So what happens is the body tenses up from the trauma, from the initial injury, then the subsequent surgery. The body tenses up to protect itself. That makes the knee difficult to bend. The scar tissue is where the nerves are being irritated. So the body does kind of a workaround. It doesn't want to go where it hurts. It's just a natural response to pain. But what ends up happening is that now it creates this neurological loop that goes from the knee throughout the rest of the body to the brain that tells the brain, no, I don't want to go there. I don't want to move that way. Lori, especially for judo techniques, you won't be able to do techniques that you used to do when you were younger because of this tension, these patterns that build up in the body over time. It slows the body down. Same thing post-surgery. You have they'll blame it on the scar tissue, but it's not actually the scar tissue that's making the body do the workaround. It's the pain. Key point here, key distinction here. It's not the scar tissue that's making the body have the problem, it's the pain. So if we begin working with the scar tissue in a way that relieves the pain, now the body's going to be able to move through that range of motion correctly without the pain. The pain makes us move in a way we wouldn't normally move. So it's a huge distinction that the idea is alleviate the pain, get the pressure off of the nerves, create comfort in the knee and in the nervous system, which sends a signal to the brain, it's not going to hurt if we go that way. And in doing so, what ends up happening is the nervous system relaxes and lets go, and now the body is going to be able to move through that range of motion, and guess what? The scar tissue gets broken down. It's a really interesting concept when we look at the body from a neurological perspective. Welcome, everybody. Bill, the knee pain guru. If you have any questions about your knees, whatever's going on in your body, please type in the questions below. be more than happy to answer those. You want more information, head over to my website, thekneepainguru.com. I got a 7-day knee pain reduction challenge that you could begin working with my program to see, if it works for you, if you get any results with it. Lori, please pass that along to anybody you're training with, because that's judo people really need it, especially with the damage that takes place in judo with the knees. But that's essentially it. It's not the scar tissue that gives the problem to the knee. It's the pain that makes the knee lack of range of motion, move in a way that isn't the way the joint is designed. So I'm going to take this video, I'm going to share it with Ashley, who asked this question initially. Please like and subscribe to the video, share it with your friends, especially the ones that limp. Thank you all for being here. I'll wait another 30 seconds if anyone has any questions. And if not, I'm going to scoot because I got some other things I got to knock out. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye-bye.